Travis Mahoney spent his summer soaring over California with his drone. Get ready for a couple of minutes of Christian and Charity talking about how much they miss California, because in this case he went all over Southern California, capturing what he loves about the beautiful state.
And it is beautiful, it is super green, and it smells like eucalyptus.
Ooh, well, look, we'll start off by soaring over Dana Point. This looks pretty good. Whereabouts is Dana Point? I actually don't know.
It's around the San Diego area, between LA and San Diego.
But before you know it, we're going to pop up to LA, start checking out some of the unique sights you can see up there.
That sign is iconic.
I've always been fascinated by this building. Is that the Walt Disney Concert Hall, I believe? I've seen that in a couple of movies as well, but it really does look like someone was just making it up.
Well, it wasn't just anybody, it was Frank Gehry, one of the most amazing architects ever.
Only Christian knows these facts at the drop of a dime.
Southern California is one of those places that can be so different. Just like 30-minute drive from one place to the other. It's like a whole different world, a whole different feel, a different attitude. It's a really cool place to be because of how diverse it is.
Before you know it, though, we head out to Palo Verde.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The homes there are amazing.
Bougie!
The homes there are amazing, and yes, they are bougie, but they have beautiful beaches, and just look.
So go explore.